Today we're going to talk about the range of drug kits that NEANN manufactures here in Lara, Geelong. NEANN has been making drug kits for many years, and we specialise in providing you with the best solution we can. That can be a simple generic, part of our professional range, or a custom design. The kits I have in front of me here are based around the three sizes that we manufacture. A small backpack or smaller trauma kit sized drug kit, our 3/4 drug kit, which is designed to be part of our modular system around our Tech Plus bag, so you can have the trauma kit, this drug kit, or a 3/4 airways kit within the Tech Plus system. And then we have our full-size drug kit, designed also to fit in the front of a pack, which is our primary response kit. So our primary response kit also has a front pocket like the Tech Plus, which allows you to have a more complex drug solution and a larger airways kit. I will now walk you through those kits individually so you understand the contents layouts inside. So this medications kit is actually a custom design, but it's based on our standard footprint of a first aid backpack size drug kit. So this is a part of the modular system that will fit in the FAB, but also can be used as a standalone pack. This individual pack is actually for a code grey backpack, so for in-hospital use. They wanted a specific bag and of course a drug kit to carry for them. Inside this bag we have used our latest Medis labelling system. Medis gives you clear printing on the elastic that is hardy and will not rip or fade off easily. You can choose to have removable velcros or stitched in loops based on what you need. Generally, the syringes and needles aren't going to change in size, but drugs do. So the flexibility to replace loops as and when loop sizes become obsolete is obviously helpful. Here gives you the opportunity to put packs in, clearly labelled, and on the other panel you've got cups, water and a syringe, and again space for other items that you may want to carry specific to your needs. So this is also made in our environ-free, wipe-clean antimicrobial material. We also of course have a reflexite, so it's very clear printing, safe to use, made by NEANN. This is the 3/4 drug kit from NEANN. So designed to sit in front of our Tech Plus kit. This enables you to be able to have, as part of a system, a trauma kit and the drug kit sitting in front of the pack for your needs. This is a lockable zip, so you can secure the contents and also, most importantly, make sure that the contents are correct when the pack is stowed away. This bag does not have our Medis labelling because we have tried to keep this as flexible for the end user as possible. All the loops are replaceable, and loops, as you can see, have all got their individual own part numbers so that they can be reordered as and when you need them, and if you just need a set of loops, you can order a single set of loops. If the ampoule sizes change, you are able to totally replace the whole loop, and we, if need be, can remake a specific set of loops for your set of bags because of the ampoule change. Again, wipe clean materials inside of our kits is standard across the range. A replaceable center panel, which can be replaced to facilitate a customization for your contents, and B, of course, if you want to, this can be replaced can removed completely and not used at all, depending on what level of equipment you want to carry. Made in our wipe clean material, antimicrobial, from NEANN. This is the last of our drug kits. This is our full-size drug kit. This is part of the PRK system, which enables the operator to put the drug kit in the front pocket of the primary response kit. inside this kit, there is plenty of room to ensure that all your contents are stored securely. So you have your IV equipment on the front panels, and then on the back panels we have our non-Medis generic loops, which are individually labelled so that you can reorder these as you need as loops change. All of the loop sets are removable and replaceable, and if you choose to, we can customize those exactly to your requirements. This center panel is removable and again customizable, because you may choose to carry a different range of sizes of equipment. The bag has a lockable zip so that you can track and secure the contents of the bag, and is made from our environment-free material, which is wipe clean and antimicrobial. This is our full-size advanced drug kit from NEANN.